Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll explore the top CarPlay screens that can enhance your driving experience. With technology advancing rapidly, it's the perfect time to upgrade your older vehicles for safer and more enjoyable journeys. Here are our top 5 picks for the best CarPlay screens available. Number 5. ZEMBUKIL HD Portable CarPlay. Kicking off our list is ZEMBUKIL 7-inch HD Portable Car Stereo Touchscreen. This compact device is designed to modernize your driving experience by offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. It allows you to connect your smartphone seamlessly, providing access to your favorite apps, maps, and music right at your fingertips. The standout feature of this model is its built-in HD rear-view camera, which automatically displays the camera feed when you shift into reverse, making parking and maneuvering a breeze. While the pricing is competitive and the basic functionalities are solid, some users have reported concerns regarding sound quality, which may not meet the expectations of audiophiles. Number 4. HAUXIY Wireless CarPlay and Portable Screen. Next up, we have HAUXIY's 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto portable screen. This device is equipped with a plug-and-play dual-DIN stereo system that integrates advanced voice control technology. With the help of Siri or Google Assistant, accessing navigation, making calls, and listening to music has never been easier or safer while driving. The screen features a 4K front camera and a 1080p waterproof rear camera, providing crystal clear images to enhance your safety whether you're on the road or parking. However, while users appreciate its ease of use and functionality, some have expressed varying opinions on the sound quality and responsiveness of the device, making it a solid yet slightly polarizing choice. Number 3. Veralady HD Wireless Screen. The third product on our list is Veralady's 10.26-inch HD wireless screen, a high-resolution portable touchscreen stereo system that enhances your vehicle's capabilities. With its support for both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you can effortlessly connect your smartphone and enjoy secure access to navigation, calls, and messages without taking your eyes off the road. The expansive 10.26-inch IPS display offers stunning visuals, allowing you to watch 1080p videos in vibrant detail. This device is also equipped with a 4K front camera and a 1080p waterproof rear camera, ensuring a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The easy installation process means you can set it up in minutes, and the device's compatibility with various vehicle models makes it a versatile choice for any driver. Number 2. LAMTTO Wireless Car Stereo Device. In the second spot, we have LAMTTO's wireless car stereo device. This portable touchscreen offers both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionalities, allowing you to automatically connect your smartphone as soon as you enter your vehicle. The system features a remarkable 2.5K resolution front camera and a 1080p waterproof rear-view camera, providing dual-screen recording capabilities and a 170-degree wide-angle view to capture clear footage of your drives. Its night vision and loop recording features further enhance safety during your travels. Moreover, with Bluetooth support for wireless audio streaming and FM transmission, users can enjoy high-quality sound from their vehicle's stereo system. Although it does not support Netflix, the device's integration with popular navigation apps provides real-time GPS navigation without additional fees. Number 1. Kuayvan Wireless CarPlay and Portable Screen. Finally, at the top of our list is Kuayvan's 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto portable screen. This device stands out for its advanced features and extensive functionality. With its large display and dual camera system, it not only allows for high-quality video streaming but also enhances driving safety with real-time recordings of both the front and rear views. The seamless voice command support lets you interact with Siri or Google Assistant to navigate, make phone calls, send messages, and play music without taking your eyes off the road. The easy setup process ensures compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, and its ability to connect via Bluetooth or AUX makes it a perfect fit for those looking to modernize their driving experience without losing the original car aesthetics. And there you have it, the top 5 CarPlay screens to modernize your driving experience. These devices enhance safety and make your journeys more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Which screen caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.